Ever wondered how to create the ultimate avatar on Roblox? Well, today is your lucky day. Dive into the fantastic world of Roblox and uncover the secrets to creating a stunning avatar that stands out from the crowd. First things first, understand that Roblox provides an endless array of customization options. From hairstyles to clothing to accessories, the platform allows you to bring your dream avatar to life. Start by selecting the body type. Roblox offers two primary body types, R6 and R15. The R6 body type has 6 points of articulation, while the R15 has 15. Choose one that best suits your avatar's desired look and feel. Next, choose a skin tone. Roblox offers a wide range of skin tones. You can choose a skin tone that matches your real-life skin tone or go for something completely different. The choice is entirely yours. Once you've chosen the body type and skin tone, it's time for the fun part, customization. Start with the face. Roblox offers a variety of faces, each with its own unique expression. Then move on to the hair. Whether you want a funky hairstyle or a classic one, Roblox has got you covered. You can even choose the hair color. Next, select the outfit. From cool jeans and t-shirts to fancy dresses and suits, Roblox offers an extensive range of outfits. Don't forget about the accessories. Hats, glasses, backpacks, you name it. Roblox has it. Accessories can add a touch of personality to your avatar. Now that you've created your avatar, it's time to save it. Click on the Save button to save your avatar. Remember, creating an avatar on Roblox is all about expressing your unique personality and style. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. To recap, creating an avatar on Roblox involves selecting the body type, choosing a skin tone, customizing the face, hair, and outfit, and adding accessories. Remember, the key to creating a stunning avatar on Roblox is to let your creativity run wild. So, go ahead and create your dream avatar today. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your Roblox experience. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and most importantly, keep having fun in the world of Roblox. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video for more content.